Hello, Tom Rooney from the beautiful banks of the Murrumbidgee River. I'm here talking to you today about the proposed amendments of the Basin Plan through the Water Amendment Bill. The proposed bill has 9 key changes, or 9 key areas, but really 2/3 of the bill's weight is around regulation of the water industry and new powers to the ACCC Inspector General and new rules and conduct for the Australian brokerage industry, as well as water reporting through BOM and new enforcement rules. 1/3 of the bill is around changes made to how the government can recover water, the timing of the water recovery and the manners in which they can recover the water. So previously there was a cap on relation to the buybacks of water to 1,500 gigalitres of long-term cap equivalent, and that's proposed to be removed through the bill. Additionally, the 450 gigalitres of what has been traditionally called upwater, or the enhanced water delivery, which is to occur through off-farm irrigation efficiency projects or projects that have no or nil socio-economic impact, that is, those rules are to be changed to broaden the capacity for the government to actually recover that water in time and in full. The amendment also looks at how or when the Basin Plan needs to be achieved by. So previously June 2024 is the deadline date, and that deadline is being extended to, in many things in relation to the Act, to 2027. So the Act is something that will become our Act in relation to the Australian People's Act. It will regulate the Murray-Darling Basin and not necessarily water outside of the basin. It is something that we encourage people to get involved with and review and understand what's occurring. And you can use the following links that we've provided you with here to track the progress of the bill through the Senate, and also to provide you with high-level understanding of the requirements of the bill and how that might change our regional communities. So thanks for listening today, and please use the following links to provide yourself with some greater explanation of the bill. Tom Rooney from the banks of the Murrumbidgee River, signing off and helping the good times flow.